Did you know that New Year's resolutions are crap? That's right, only 8% of people who set resolutions actually complete them, and 43% quit before January. Well, I do not want that to be you, so stay with me while I take you through my December reset on how to finish the year strong and come out winning in 2026. Stay with me. So here's where I think New Year's resolutions are crap. Not only do only 8% of the people actually finish them at the end of the year, but they are usually based in what I call gimme goals. They're those things we want every year that are like lose weight, make more money, get that raise, whatever it might be. And the reality is, these are so generic that there's no way to actually get there because they're not based in anything that really matters to you. And I'm so excited that you're here to do this December reset because there are three really basic things that you need to do so that you can go into the new year powerfully. So, step number one is what I call reflect and release. That is when you take a moment to really look at this last year and see what worked, what didn't work, what were you happy with, what were you not happy with, what do you want to bring into 2026. It's an important step before you ever set your goals for the new year. So, step one is reflect and release. Now, step number two is where you get to dream a little bit. I want you to take time to actually look at yourself from a bigger lens. Really dream big, not just for 2026, but beyond that. What is it you really see for your life? What is it you'd like? Who do you want to become? It's very, very important that you do this from a large scale before you set down the plan, because if you just set the goals without actually looking at the bigger picture, again, they're just going to be those rinse and repeat things that you're really not committed to. So, step number two is dream bigger. And finally, step number three is where we take action and get alignment. That means you had this great vision for what you'd like for your future, and now we got to get a clear, detailed plan of how you're going to actually take action to make that come to fruition. That's the fun part because that's what puts you in action. If you do these three steps, my friend, you will be ready for 2026. Now, if you want help doing this, I want you to join me for my Jumpstart 2026. This is happening on December 10th through the 12th. It means that we are going to be together for an hour each morning to take you through these processes so that you can enter the new year with excitement and a robust plan for you to succeed. So go to the link below and sign up today. I hope to see you in the Jumpstart. Bye for now.